What's going on YouTube? Brett Seeley here. Today we're in Denver, Colorado. I am with
Nicole.
And today we're going to show you some lighting setups. She just won her pro card down in Florida. How long have you been working out?
About 6 years.
I have consistently not worked out for 6 years. We're going to show you some lighting in a studio environment showcasing a fitness physique using nothing but 200s. Now normally I use 300s or 400s or 600s. I like to have a lot more power, but I am quite impressed with the output of these lights here. So we're going to be using 4 of them. The back 2 lights, honestly, they can be speed lights. That's going to be used to help separate the model from the background. Let's show you how to light an amazing physique. Let's get started.